Dear students, now we are observing some of the circles in our earth or globe. These are all imaginary lines. These are the important latitudes in the globe. The first one on the top of the earth or globe is called North Pole. 90 degrees North Pole. We call 90 degrees North Pole. The next circle we call Arctic circle, 66 and of North Pole or North. We call Arctic circles 66 and of North. The next circle, Tropic of Cancer, 23 and of North. The longest latitude called Equator. It is 0 degree. The downward one of the circles, Tropic of Capricorn, is 23 and of degree south. The next circle, Antarctica circle, 66 and of degrees south. The last pole, this is called South Pole, it is 90 degrees south. These latitudes, mainly what they are saying, in the earth, the sun lighting is focused over on some tropical zones, over on some subtropical zones, less on some polar zones. These lines nearly some of the tropical zones we are known on the earth or globe. So these major latitudes we known every time in our life, because we are going to earth, we are circulating to earth, we are going to the everywhere, we are moving to the everywhere, we are crossing the so many latitudes and so many latitude also. These are the imaginary lines, but we know the globe well to see where the continents, where the oceans, where the other places in the earth.